My name is Brian Ellison. I am the CTO of SuccessFactors, and I'm also the head of platform engineering. My background and most of my experience is with consumer-based software. I grew up in a world as a person who lived and breathed consumer-based software and consumer-grade software. I spent 20 plus years as a chief architect at a Silicon Valley-based company called Intuit. And then just recently, I've moved over to SuccessFactors. And many people ask me, so why did you leave the consumer company to come to an enterprise software company? And the answer for me was pretty simple. One was the culture of the company aligned with my values. The products are successful, and I saw an opportunity to make a difference. I saw an opportunity to take some of my experiences and some of the challenges I had to overcome, and I could take this playbook and bring it here and make a dramatic impact on not only the business, but also get the engineers all excited about what we have coming and what's possible, and to bring some of these consumer-grade experiences to enterprise software. As the CTO, my task is to drive a technology strategy that takes us into the future, advocate and build trust with all the stakeholders to this, and bring people along and make them feel like they're contributors to this tech strategy. With my other hat, which is the head of platform engineering, this is really about creating all of the enabling technologies that are going to power how we deliver applications for the future. This is how we're going to deliver software on multiple clouds. This is how we're going to leverage a lot of the SAP assets, the open source technologies, and bring these to bear so that our developers can focus on really hard customer problems. They can move with speed, and they get to inherit all these great capabilities of a platform that allows them to do that. Enterprise software is not what people think. It's imperative that we create experiences that make it easy, make it delightful for our customers. This puts a premium on the types of engineers we're looking for. We're looking for people who are specialists in creating these awesome experiences for our customers. And the types of things that our experienced engineers get to work on are chatbots, helping to come up with models for machine learning that help make it easier to open a new rec or to find new talent. And these are what our experienced people get to create. The scale we work at is huge. 7,000 customers doesn't sound like a lot to most people, but we're dealing with hundreds of millions of employees spread across the world. So the scale is incredible. We're working with open source technologies. We get to collaborate with wicked smart people. So we have SAP Labs, which they make huge investments in continuing to try and innovate with things like columnar databases, machine learning, artificial intelligence, chatbots. This is the world at SAP and at SuccessFactors. This is what gets people motivated to get up in the morning, tell their coworkers what they're working on, solving some really wicked hard problems with some fantastically intelligent people, and I get to do it every day. It's been gratifying to see that I could come here in such a short amount of time and have such a big impact.